For the aluminium keyboards, first is to put this click onto the insert, the plastic inserts, and then put it into the slots of the aluminium keyboard area. And same thing, it can be slides. And just put it attached to the adjustable leg. This corner, how to assemble the corner keyboards. Here is the accessory. This one is the corner connector, and this one is the metal connector. So you first click on the keyboard and use this metal corner piece, join them together. Here the same thing, connect with the other piece. So it forms a 90-degree angle.